Oh, hello. This is going to be a demonstration of the NoMachine Network service. We'll be connecting remotely to a machine using the NoMachine Network service. The basic feature of this service is that you're able to connect to a NoMachine installation without having to configure port forwarding to get through a firewall, as an example. This window here represents the machine that we're connecting to. The prerequisites for this machine will be that you have either the free version of NoMachine installed or a licensed paid version of NoMachine. The machine that we're connecting from will be this laptop, and the prerequisites for that are that you are either paying for a subscription to the NoMachine Network service, or you're using a trial for the NoMachine Network service. Now you can receive a free 7-day trial by going to users.nomachine.com and creating an account. You'll automatically get a 7-day trial when you create an account. Alright, the first thing we'll do is we'll join this machine to the NoMachine Network to receive our machine ID. To do that, open up the NoMachine window, go to Settings, Network, and Machine, and click Connect. Once this connects to the NoMachine Network, you'll receive a machine ID and an access ID. Another thing you want to pay attention to here is where it says available to everybody. This machine that you're connecting to, you probably don't want to leave it available to allow anyone to connect to. What you can do is whitelist the email addresses of the users that you know will be connecting to you. For example, I'll put mine in just to ensure that nobody else is able to connect to this machine. Okay, and then we're going to copy the machine ID because we'll need that in a minute. On the client machine, open up NoMachine, go to Settings, Network, and log in. And you'll log in here with the email address and password for your NoMachine account when you signed up on the website here. And then you can go to the address book and add the machine. The cool thing about this is that it will remember this machine even if you log in to the NoMachine client from another machine. So if I am not using this laptop tomorrow and I'm connecting from a desktop somewhere, I can log in to my account and it will still have my address book. So you'll need two things to connect to a machine with NoMachine Network. You'll need the machine's ID and the access ID. The person you're connecting to can give you that. Now from the address book you can create a connection file. We'll close this because we don't need it anymore. Where the host will be the machine ID. And then we'll connect to it. It's right here. Alright, now we're connected to the machine. From here it's going to ask for your username and password to log into the remote machine. So this won't be the email address and the password that you use to sign up for the NoMachine website. These will be the credentials for the machine that you're connecting to. Alright, now we're connected. The left side represents the screen of the remote machine, and then the right side is our NoMachine connection through the NoMachine network. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. Alright, and another thing I want to show you while we're here, in this example I just connected is the same user, so the user who's logged in remotely is the same user as the user who connected remotely. If you are sharing your computer and the person connecting to you doesn't have an account on the remote machine, they can still connect to share your screen. All you have to do is enable a setting in the server settings under security to allow guest desktop sharing. Now if I connect, I can request access as a guest for desktop sharing, and it will prompt the user sitting at the machine on the other end and ask if they want to let me in. And what you can do is type a message. There's a default one here. You can delete that and change it. There you go. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thank you.